All right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Today, we're jumping headfirst into OpenAI's latest move. They've been making headlines with all their AI models, but this is different. This is about more than just cool tech.
It's about making a real-world impact.
Exactly. OpenAI just launched this thing called the OpenAI Academy, and we are diving deep into what it means. You with me?
100%.
Okay, so OpenAI Academy, what exactly are we talking about here?
Well, in a nutshell, they're aiming to empower developers, especially in places with, fewer resources, to tackle big problems using AI.
So it's about making AI accessible to everyone, not just the big players. I like it.
Right. And get this. OpenAI is not just talking the talk, they're putting some serious muscle behind it.
Oh, yeah. Like,
Think training from OpenAI's own experts, API credits. We're talking $1 million worth, at least to start, and even building a whole global support network.
wow. Okay, they're putting their money where their mouth is. That definitely says something. But hold on, let's unpack this. We're talking about empowering developers, particularly in underserved areas. But how? How will the Academy actually help them create change?
So they're providing resources, right? But more importantly, it seems like they're really emphasizing the idea that impactful solutions, well, they often come from people who understand the problems firsthand.
Makes sense. So developers in, say, low-income countries, they might already grasp the challenges in their communities better than anyone. They just need the tools to address them.
Precisely. And that's where the Academy comes in, bridging that gap.
I'm starting to see the bigger picture here, but do we have, like, real-world examples of this approach actually working?
Oh, absolutely. OpenAI's blog post highlights a couple of really inspiring examples. One that jumped out at me was Kobi.
Kobi. Tell me more.
So Kobi uses AI to help kids with dyslexia learn to read. And the really cool part, it actually won an OpenAI prize.
So it's not just a feel-good project. It's actually effective. Wow, that's incredible. What is it about AI that makes it so powerful for something like dyslexia?
Well, it seems like AI can offer this personalized learning experience that traditional methods just can't match. Like, imagine being able to adapt to each child's unique needs and learning style. That's massive for a challenge like dyslexia.
Right, totally. That level of personalization could be game-changing. Okay, so we've got Kobi, which focuses on education. What was that other example?
Oh, right, ISTEM. They're based in India, and they're using AI to make digital content accessible to people who are visually impaired.
That's amazing. How does that work?
Think about it. AI can convert text to audio descriptions, even tactile interfaces. iSTEM is basically opening up a world of information and opportunities for these individuals.
Helping people find jobs, participate fully in society talk about real impact. This isn't just about making life a little easier. It's about fundamentally changing people's lives.
Exactly.
These examples, they're super inspiring on their own, but they also feel like they're pointing to a larger shift in how OpenAI is approaching AI development.
Oh, definitely. It's like moving away from this idea of a one-size-fits-all AI solution and recognizing the importance of, well, context, empowering those on the ground to build solutions that fit their community's unique needs.
It all circles back to the academy, doesn't it? This isn't just about teaching people to code AI. It's about giving them the tools to actually address the challenges they see every single day. It's about, building a future where AI benefits everyone.
Right. And there's this other little detail in the blog post that really stuck with me, something that highlights OpenAI's commitment to making AI more inclusive. You remember that bit about them funding translations of the MMLU benchmark?
The MMLU benchmark, remind me what that is again.
Sure. So it's essentially a test for AI models, a way to measure their capabilities. And by translating it into like 14 languages or something, they're basically leveling the playing field, allowing developers from all over the world to evaluate their AI models against a global standard.
Oh, I see. So a seemingly small detail, but it has huge implications for inclusivity. It's all connected, isn't it? This OpenAI Academy, it's just one piece of a much larger puzzle, but it really feels like a glimpse into the future of AI.
A future where it's used to tackle global challenges in a way that benefits everyone.
It's an exciting thought, a bit daunting maybe, but mostly it's a call to action. So think about it, everyone. What problems in your world, in your community, could be tackled with a little help from AI? What could you build with the right tools and support? It's a powerful question to consider, and that's what we'll leave you with today.
Until next time.
Catch you all on our next deep dive.